Hello guys, this is Family Man. Welcome to my channel. This tutorial is basically on how you can reset your OBS Studio to default setting. Let's assume you are using OBS and you did some settings and you want to reset everything to default setting. So this tutorial will tell you how you can do that. Okay guys, let's assume you have the application with you, but if you don't have it, you can go to Google, type OBS Studio, the first link that appears, click on it and it will bring you to the website. You can as well look at my video description below to get the website address. Okay, after downloading and installing, please guys, don't forget to download based on the operating system that you are using. We have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, so you click, you select, you download based on the one that you are using. So after downloading and installing, look at how the interface look like. Look at the interface. I assume you know how to do some of the other settings like the send sources mixer. If you are having problem with it, you can look at my previous videos. You go to my playlist and check out my previous videos on this OBS. Okay, just as I said, this tutorial is basically on how you can reset your OBS to default settings. Okay, when you open the application, all you need to do is scroll to the top left hand corner and you will see file. The file, you see file. When you click on file, scroll down to show settings folder. You scroll to show settings folder and you click on it. When you click on it, this window will appear. You see it? This window will appear. And once this window appears, close the OBS. Close the OBS. Scroll to the top right hand corner and close the OBS. And once you close it, you delete all these folders, all these files and folders. When you delete all these, close the folder, close the window, and when you close it, you restart your OBS. Once you restart it, all the settings are gone, all the previous settings are gone, and the default settings will be restored. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you are in, say we are family.